What you guys looking at? Hi, babies. Want a cookie? Oh, Mom. That's for the pup. Here you go. What? What's that? Oh, it's okay. The light's not very good. Hi, babies. And you guys were too close. Here you go. Here. Have a couple more cookies. Hi, Codes. Here you go. Couple more? You want one too? Cody. There, Mommy. Here, you want one? Oops. Hey, George. Here you go. That's a good boy. Okay. I like you guys. What are you doing? Look at Dad's ball. But Daddy, they'd love to be with you.